thrown down the gauntlet, y'all. Sam says their pre-prepared Thanksgiving menu can go toe-to-toe with Grandma's traditional time-tested, tried-and-true recipes. I was like, you better put up or shut up and give me some food to try, Sam's Club. So today we are taking it to the ring in... Joining in on the fun today is lifestyle expert Alison Deyette. Give it up! Welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
So how's this gonna work?
Okay, so your viewers sent us their favorite grandma's recipes.
Okay.
And we chose 3, and then we pulled in some prepared versions from Sam's Club to go toe-to-toe.
Okay.
So we've got 3 different foods to choose, and we're gonna base it
I love my job.
Taste, obviously, time, energy, and money spent. First up is the turkey.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Uh-oh, it's stuck. Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Okay.
The Sam's Club version, just so you know what we're eating, is their hickory smoked, about $1.98 a pound, 2.5 hours to heat up. And okay, wait, I gotta phew, because now I'm gonna tell you about Grandma Coomer.
Okay.
55 hours. 1 hour
I already
prep.
choose Sam's without tasting it. Whichever one it is.
Prep, 2 days to brine it,
What?
6 hours to smoke it, and then a mere 15 minutes to let it rest before you eat.
So one of these is the Members Mark Hickory Smoked Turkey from Sam's Club, and the other is a recipe sent to us by Linda Jean in St. Louis. It's Grandma Coomer's Holiday Smoked Turkey. Let's check it out.
Okay, let's take a little taste.
Which
you know,
one
I'm
are you
just going to
going
use
for?
my fingers. I don't care.
Okay.
I
Oh,
don't
I'm
mind.
getting fancy.
Okay.
Moist, I like it.
Yeah.
I kind of am inclined to just do this.
I know. We should.
Because I'm classy.
All right, what do you think?
Wow, it's good, like really moist.
I'm leaning a little to the left myself.
This one definitely. I liked it, but that one was way better.
Okay.
Which is that one?
All right, let's show.
Wait. Dude!
Sam's Club won this round.
Dude, Sam's Club did not need 5,000 years.
Yeah.
All right, so moving on to the side dish. So one of these is the sweet potato mash with cinnamon butter. I love my life. From Sam's Club. The other recipe was submitted by Riley McDowell of Centralia, Illinois. It's her Grandma Betty's Blue Ribbon Crock Pot Sweet Tater Casserole. Let's try. I love her already. All right, let's take it off.
All right, taking it off. So first up, the Sam's Club version is about $5, takes about 25 minutes to heat up.
That's good. Whatever that
Grandma Betty's Blue Ribbon recipe is about 10 ingredients, 4.5 hours for preparation and cooking till it gets into your
Gosh,
mouth.
these grandmas and their time. Okay. I like that first one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Have this sent to my room for lunch.
I'm going for the one on the right.
I'm going
because marshmallows are just my jam.
Yeah, and it's amazing. Whose is that?
Well,
Oh, that's
thank
Grandma.
goodness Grandma Betty's still got a blue ribbon going on.
Yeah, she's taking. No one's taking that blue ribbon. That is your ribbon, ma'am. All right, let's get to the final round. It's dessert time. I feel like that's dessert. All right, y'all. So one of these is the Members Mark Pecan Pie from Sam's Club. The other is a recipe sent to us by Judith Smith of Plano, Texas. What's up, Texas? It's her Grandma Reenie's Pecan Pie. So let's taste it. Here we go.
All right.
Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
Okay, so let me
This
give you
is
a little
the greatest job
backstory.
in all of the land.
How many knows? I'm going to be back in my green room after this,
Oh my
just stuff
God.
in my face. Okay,
So happy.
so the Sam's Club version is a 12-inch pie.
Ooh, look at
costs
that
under $12, and it just takes like 10 to 15 minutes to heat up, 350 degrees.
Oh, I'm into
Grandma Rennie's pecan or pecan, however you choose to say it, is 5 ingredients for the crust, 8 ingredients for the filling, or 30 minutes to prep, an hour and a half for baking.
Oh my God.
All right, let me try. Okay.
Hold on, I'm gonna try this one. I tried the
yep.
other one. It's good. It's excellent, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one. Whose is this one? All right, let's see. Oh, Sam's Club!
Sam's Club won again!
You better get it, Sam's Club! You can went up against grandmas. You should feel bad about beating them. You should feel bad about yourself. But you should feel good about the fact that the explosion of happiness in my mouth just happened. And I love you because I'm eating this for my lunch. Let's tally it up, y'all. Sam's legit smoked the grams in time, energy, and cost. As for taste, Sam's Club nailed it as well. Those were delicious. I'm really impressed. Seriously, they're gonna eat them for lunch. And also, if your grandma is working that hard in the kitchen, you better eat the pie regardless of what it tastes like. That's what I'm saying to you right now. That's a lot of time. So save yourself some time, though, and money this year, and get some really great grub at your local Sam's Club, everybody. It was really good. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in a couple weeks. All right? Yeah? All right. Well, let's do it one more time, y'all. I love Ambush Christmas. Woo! We got pie, we got turkey, we got a dancing tree. Y'all better sit down for this last gift. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yes. All right, she said, oh yeah, oh yeah. It's a freaky treat. Sam's Club is giving everyone in our house seats a gift card worth $500. But wait, what if you don't have a membership to Sam's Club, you say? Don't you worry, because they're giving everyone in our house seats a year-long plus membership as well. They're also hooking everyone at home up. You can all get 50% off a Sam's Club membership now through November 30th. Go to kellyclarksonshow.com to find out how. We will be right back with What I'm Liking, everybody.